having warm water, because warm water is good for health. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are fine and having a great day, or should I say, great Sunday. So, why we always say that see positives even if you are in bad situation? Why? Because every black cloud has a silver lining. It means no matter how much bad situation you are in, you have the guts to see positive in that. Why? Because if you see positives, then only you do positive things. Today I'm going to tell you two stories, one about me and other about a poor family. And by the end of these two stories, you will get to know that why every black cloud has a silver lining, or should I say why we need to see positive things even in a bad situation. So story number 1, that's about me. When I'm in 10th standard, I have a stage phobia. I never participate in any kind of competition like dance competition, fancy dress competition, singing competition, and XYZ. But at that time, my class teacher forced me to participate in fancy dress competition. I had no choice, and I participated in that fancy dress competition. I'm shivering while I'm on that stage, and why I was a polythene at that time. I'm I have a role of a polythene, so I was shivering when I'm standing at that stage. Although I lost that competition, but I see positive in that I come out that comfort zone. I participated and I feel happy good for myself. I increase my self confidence by participating in that one single competition. And I just thought that if one single competition give me that much competition, then why should I not participate in various competitions? After that, I took the initiative and I start participating in various competitions. And by the results, I gradually increasing my self confidence, and even I also winning those competitions. I participated in dancing competition, quiz competition, and all that. So whether I will not see that negative that I was shivering while I'm standing on that stage and people are laughing at me at that time, but I see the positive that I increase my self confidence, my self confidence gradually increasing. So at that time I see the positive which makes me a good person, and I gradually increase my self confidence and my personality as well. So that's my story. I tell you one more story. So the story is very earlier that a poor farmer live in a town in England with his wife and two sons. They are very poor. They are poor enough that they don't even have a food to eat every day. So he used to go nearby towns, villages to search out a job for so that he can earn money, but no luck. He comes at house with an empty hand. He used to sell household things like furniture, TV, and something like that to buy money, or should I say buy food. So they used to sell household things to buy money or buy food. They are doing that regularly, and they are becoming poorer day by day by doing this. In their family, no one is happy with this condition. But one day, what happened that nothing is left in their house to sell and to buy food and or to buy money. So what they will do? That farmer think that he should sell his son to buy to the rich farmer and to buy some money. So before doing this, he discussed with his wife, and they both shivered by thought of giving their children to someone else. So his wife said that, okay, I'm giving my clothes to you, and you sell those clothes and buy food for us. So he said okay. For few days things were going like this, that his wife give her clothes to him and buy food for them. But one day nothing left, no clothes, no furniture, nothing else. So at last the farmer decided to sell their children to buy money, but those children were not ready to give up, so they resist. But the farmer scold them and take them with them. So at that time, when they are crossing the jungle, those two brother listen a noise of a person who was driving in a river. So within no time they reach at the place where that person is drowning, and within no time they collected steam, roots, tree roots, so that they can help that person. They did the same. They help that person to get out from that river, and they help that person to live one more life. That person say thank you to those two children, or should I say to brothers. After doing all these things, that person get to know the sad story of these two children and that father. So that person decided to give that a large amount of money to them, so that they can live happy life and enjoy their life, to these two children and the father. And the father say thank you to that person, and felt guilty about the decision of selling their children. So after getting that money, they come back to their house and live after ever happily. So moral of the story is that every black cloud has a silver lining, even though they are poor, but still one day they get something good in their life. So always think good, and things will come for you. Good things will come for you. So always see positives even if you are in bad situations, because when you are seeing positives, things will come for you, and good things will happen to you. So you always see that. If you see bad in bad situations, only bad things will happen to you. But once you start thinking about good things, then good things will happen to you. That's the natural phenomena. Whatever you think, the thing will come back to you. Whatever you do, it will come back to you. Whatever you think, it will come back to you. That's the natural phenomena. You need to see that thing. So at last I just want to say that no matter how much bad situation you are in, but you need to see positives in that situation, and for that you need to do practice and see every minute positive things in that situation. Because once you start seeing positive things will come for you. Thank you, and have a great Sunday. Thank you.